How to set custom ringtones on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now if you want to set custom ringtones for a particular application, for example, then what you can simply do is tap on or make a long press on any of the application. So for example, if I want to set custom ringtone for the Gemini application, let's tap on app info for now. As I tap on app info, what you can simply do is scroll down and tap on notifications. Now scroll down and here you can see different options over here, but we do not have the option to select customized ringtones, so we're going to go back and select on Instagram for now. Now scroll down and tap on notifications and then scroll down again and tap on the option of other, then tap on the option of sound, and here you can select any of the ringtones that you'd want to have or attach or associate with your Instagram application. So it will lead us to ringtone application. You can simply tap on the choose local ringtone, or you can also select on pre-installed ringtones. I'm going to select on choose local ringtone over here. Then tap on music, and as I tap on music, you can select any of the songs. Then tap on OK, tap on apply, and as you do that, there you go. You have set custom ringtones on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.